Are you looking for the best water filter dispensers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best water filter dispensers that are available on the market.
If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Brita Metro Pitcher. Here is a water filter dispenser that is a perfect combination of beauty and performance. It can be ideal for compact spaces as it comes in a perfect design. It will let you have clean water as it can effectively reduce chlorine, copper, mercury, and cadmium impurities. Moreover, it comes in a lightweight design and has an attractive look. Furthermore, you can even select from many different colors and use them according to your requirements. Additionally, it helps to reduce odor and provide you with better tasting water. The water filter offers reliable performance, and it allows you to use the filters for almost 2 months. The product also includes a convenient electronic indicator, and it makes sure that there will be a low waste. Moving on at number 4, we have the pitcher with free water quality meter by ZeroWater. Available in a no-drip design, this best water filter dispenser has a capacity of 23 cups. It comes in a slim design, making it perfect for home or office use. It provides you with clean-tasting water as it delivers superior performance. In this, you will find 5-stage filtration that helps to remove different types of pollutants. Moreover, this will provide you with multiple options, and it is safe for your family. Furthermore, the product comes in a compact design, and you can take it anywhere you want. It can reduce lead as well as other heavy metals. Additionally, it can also effectively remove 99.6% of dissolved solids, and it comes with NSF certification. The water filter has ion exchange technology and does not have carbon. It is made of high-quality materials, and it is free from BPA. At number 3, we have the pitcher with 3 replacement filter by ZeroWater. Are you looking for water filter dispensers that comes in functional design? It comes in an attractive design, and you can easily use it for your entire family. The product is made of BPA-free plastic, and it comes in a compact design. Additionally, it includes a quality meter, which lets you test the water. The water filter has 5-stage filtration that provides you with cleaner and better tasting water. It comes with NSF certification that helps to reduce heavy metals, including lead. Moreover, this can also reduce dissolved solids, and it has a capacity of 10 cups. Furthermore, it comes in a highly portable design and provides you with cleaner water from anywhere you want. It is safe for your entire family, and it has an eye-catching appearance. The product also comes with smooth operation and has a push and pour spout that allows you to fill the bottles with a single hand. At number 2, we have the Brita Everyday Pitcher with water filter dispensers. Ideal for everyday use, this water filter dispenser comes in a compact design. It can be perfect for any family, and it has a lightweight construction. The water filter is made of BPA-free materials, and it can effectively reduce chlorine and odor from the water. Additionally, it lets you have optimum performance as this also includes a status indicator. Furthermore, this will allow you to reduce waste, and it can last for almost 2 months. Moreover, it is straightforward to use and comes in bright design. The plastic pitcher offers you easy refilling and pouring, and it has full application. It can also reduce other hard metals, including mercury, copper, and cadmium impurities. It comes with many different features, and you can even have a better taste by adding flavors. And finally at number 1, we have the Ultramax Water Filter Dispensers by Brita. With the ability to provide you with 0 dissolved solids, this one delivers reliable performance. The water filter dispensers are made of high-quality materials and is safe to use. It is also free from BPA and provides you with clean water. Moreover, you can have high-tasting water as it can improve the water quality, making it perfect for your family. Furthermore, it can effectively reduce chlorine, mercury, copper, zinc, cadmium, and other impurities. It has a capacity of 1.13 gallons, and you can easily place it on countertops. Additionally, it includes a convenient indicator that lets you know when to change the filter. The product delivers efficient performance and allows you to have reduced waste. With it, you will be able to save money as it helps to reduce plastic waste. It is also very easy to use and delivers outstanding performance.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.